Cirque Corporation sponsored a Capstone project with the BYU Department of Engineering. With Cirque's Arduino-based dev kit, the team of 6 engineering students built a VR game mat and called it FloorSense. With market research, benchmarking, and input from Cirque, the team was able to come up with a concept for VR and AR markets. The concept for a smart gaming mat for virtual reality that can sense force and foot position came to light. After some trial and error for the mat design, the team came up with the optimal layout that provided the most useful data. The next step was assembling the layers in a way that gave the most accurate data without compromising performance. The sense and force layers needed separation to have optimal performance and linearity. The end result for this project was a 3-foot by 3-foot demo with location, position, and force sensing. In addition to AR and VR markets, we think other applications include door sensors, industrial safety, medical and health industries. Cirque was honored to sponsor BYU for their Capstone project and hope to continue sponsoring future projects. Cirque plans to open source this project for future development. You can find links to the project resources, development kits, ASICs, and more on our website or in the link in the description below.